This is Dave, the oven guy from Custom Design Chemicals. I am at International Winding Corporation in Villa Park, Illinois, working on this old Bayco BB42 oven, which still works pretty good, except we just re-insulated the entire oven. We put in 2 inches of block insulation, and we put in 2 half-inch boards of ceramic board insulation. So this now has twice as much insulation value as it did before. There's the blast door up there. There's the port to the afterburner up there. It's used to process motors at International Winding Corporation, Villa Park. And it was a 2.5 day job because we took our time and we did a really good job of it. The insulation's held on pins with stainless pins with stainless washers. Anyways, that's our reline adventure at International Winding in Villa Park, and it's going to make some really good motors pretty soon. And this is Dave from Custom Design Chemicals, Dave the Oven Guy.